Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to buy right now. As you guys can see, the market has been recovering here over this weekend. In the past 24 hours, the market is currently up about 0.38%. We have our top gainer here in the past 24 hours, which is going to be Gala. Gala is up about 29%, but there's also a lot more, top gainers here that are going on in the past 24 hours, and we actually covered them in yesterday's video. So guys, if if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel to, not miss out on content like this, because some of these coins are booming. So here, highest volume is going to be Bitcoin at $59,000 per coin right now, 26.2 billion in volume. Ethereum is at 14 billion. 4.3 thousand right now per coin. They're both up about 0.5% or so. And as you guys can see, the altcoins are either down 1% or so or up 1% or so. But we have some big winners here. Avalanche, which is a coin we talked about in yesterday's video. Avalanche is taking off right here. As you guys can see, it is currently up about 16% or so just in the past 24 hours. In yesterday's video, this was trading at $110, $115. So if you guys missed out on gains like this, this is the reason why you want to continue to watch this channel, because we have some great call outs like that. Avalanche, and also the second coin that we talked about on the channel yesterday was Crow. And what did Crow do? Crow did the same thing right here, up about 15% or so, just in here in the past 24 hours, trading at a 16 billion market cap. Look at this move here. Yesterday it was trading at around 50 cents or so. Now we're at over 65 cents, guys. So this is why, go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys, if you want to support the channel. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this channel right here on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. Now let's get into it. First of all, let's take a look at the crypto bubbles just to see our top performers here in the past week or so. And one of them is going to be Gala, which is the coin we just talked about here. Gala is up 376% here in the past week. We have Cocos here, which is up about 367%. And then we have a few other ones like here, Power Ledger, which is up 135. We have Myth. So Myth over here is up 119%. And some other, obviously, big gainers here that are making a huge move, including here Decentraland, which is trading at around $3.76, up about 14% or so. And then obviously Avalanche is on there as well at 44% here in the past week. So we're seeing a lot more green again compared to the red, and a lot of these green ones are super green compared to some of these red ones. So let's get into these altcoins, guys. The first altcoin on this list is going to be Uni Swap. So Uni here in the past 24 hours is trading flat, pretty much trading at $21. In the past week, we're down about 12% or so. In the past month, we're down 20% from highs up here of about $27. In the past year, 461%. So this coin last November was trading at $4. We hit highs here, obviously, in February and March. We continue to push on higher and higher throughout April here with highs of about $45 per coin. And then obviously the market pulled back down. As the market pulled back down, we went to lows of about right under $15, which was a huge move, downwards. Then we started to consolidate, come back up, made about 100% gain between July here and September, so in about a month or so. And then obviously now we're consolidating once again around this in the 20s. We're hopefully going to stay in the 20s. We bounced off of the support level here when we saw another market, pullback last week. We bounced off of that support. Hopefully we'll continue on higher, break through the $25 area, and continue to push on higher towards those 30s in the future once again. Current market cap on Uniswap is going to be 13.6 billion. Volume is flat at 183.7 million. Typical hold time is going to be 28 days. It is ranked the number 14 coin on the list. 55% buy and 45% sell activity on Uniswap. So Uniswap is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that's designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. There is no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through liquidity pools that are defined by smart contracts. Now, if you want to get into more of how it works, you can take a look down here and look at these bullet points and read for yourself. But something to keep in mind real quick is the DEXs have a range of risks, so you'll do your own research, obviously. Impermanent losses can result from pairing a more volatile cryptocurrency with the less volatile one in a liquidity pool. Bugs in smart contracts can be exploited, and anyone can create a token, so watch out for rug pulls as well. Obviously, we're seeing a lot of these, influencers and different things like that are doing rug pulls, so that's obviously something you definitely want to be watching out for in the future as well. But Uniswap is definitely one that we're looking forward to with over 100% upside to get back up. So definitely add this one to your radar, guys, Uniswap. Then we have our second altcoin, Elron, EGLD. So this one right here performing very well here in the past 24 hours from lows down here of about 350 or so. Now we're trading at almost $400 per coin. It is up about 14% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, we're up over 23% from lows of 288 or so. In the past month, we're up over 600 or 66%. 66% here in the past month, not 600, guys. 66% making a nice move. In the past year, over 5,102%, which is insane. That means if you would have invested $1,000 into Elron here last November, it would be worth over $50,000 right now, which is insane, obviously. We hit a peak here in February with most coins actually did the same thing. Pulled back down, hit a new high once again here in April, which was the next peak that we saw in the crypto space. Then we pulled back down with the market all the way to lows of about $60. From that $60 range, obviously, we could have made over a 5x or so, even a little bit more, possibly about a 6x opportunity here from June until now. So 600% opportunity from the low to the high that we're trading at right now. Insane here movement on Elron, and still, not bad of a market cap here. It's 7.9 billion market cap. Volume is at 672.8 million, which is about 21% higher than usual as this coin continues to push on higher and higher. 8 billion market cap is not that bad still. It could, make a 2x, 3x opportunity in the future as well as it continues to move on higher and higher. So Elron is definitely another coin that we're going to be watching on the radar to see how it's going to perform into the end of 2021 and the beginning of 2022, guys. So Elron number 2, and then number 3 we have Chainlink, also known as Link, one of the more popular coins that we've talked about on this channel. This one in the past 24 hours is down about 2%, trading at around $28 per coin. In the past week, this one is down 17% with highs of over $34. In the past month, we're up about 1.5% from the highs of about $38 right there, which is about let's just say about a 50% upside here opportunity just to get back to that area. In the past year, we're only up 80%, which is very low compared to some of these other altcoins. So definitely underperforming in my opinion. It was worth about $14 last year in November, hit highs here in April or May time period at around, let's just say right up here, $53 or so. From $53, we pull back down all the way to lows of $13. And obviously from that $13 area to $33, made over 100%, 150% profit. Now we saw a slight pullback here and then another, run on up, pullback, and we're hoping for another higher high. So the highs get higher and the lows get lower, which is a beautiful thing, obviously. Now with that market pullback we saw last week, hopefully we get an extended, breakthrough right here and keep on pushing on higher and higher. 13.1 billion market cap currently, volume at 738.3 million. Typical hold time is going to be 66 days, and obviously 60% buy activity and 40% sell activity. It is ranked at number 15 coin. Now, Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. How does all of that work with Chainlink? Well, it was designed to incentivize a global network of computers to provide accurate data to Chainlink's oracles. Now, there are many oracles operating today, including ones that provide price data across a wide range of assets, weather data, and location data. Now, Link is the token used to pay for services on the network and to incentivize nodes to perform verifiably honest work and provide accurate data. Something to keep in mind, though, with Chainlink is in order to become a node and start providing data to Chainlink's oracles, holders must stake Link tokens into a smart contract to act as an incentive against misbehaving or submitting false data to the network. So obviously, staking and different things, opportunities in the crypto space is something that people do for passive income on the side if they believe in a coin for the long term, and that's definitely something you can take an opportunity to do as long as you do your research and understand the risks and rewards with facing when you're doing that type of activity. So Chainlink, another coin we're gonna be watching, guys, right there. So let's take a look at the rest of the market. Solana here, trading flat, literally at the same price it was, 24 hours ago. Dogecoin, the meme here, down about 1.5%, while Shiba Inu is down about 6% down here. So, they're making a little bit of a pullback as well. Dogecoin in the low 20s once again. Shiba has lost about half of its, worth, I guess, from the highs that it was trading at. Meanwhile, like we said, Crow is making a huge move here, and Avalanche, another huge player. So definitely keep an eye on both of those as we've discussed those in yesterday's video. So if you missed yesterday's video, make sure you go check that video out and see what we talked about and the catalyst that we're talking about with those two coins. Now, Bitcoin here in the past 24 hours, trading flat, but we did see a move, here from 57,000 all the way to highs of about 59, almost 60,000, with a slight pullback here going into Sunday at 59,000 now. In the past week, we are down about 8%, obviously. In the past month, 10% down with highs of 69,000, so we're only about $10,000 away from the all-time high area. In the past year, this one is up about 215%, 1.1 trillion market cap here, 34% crypto, market is taken up by Bitcoin, 26.2 billion in volume. Volume is down about 25% or so. Trading activity is 68% buy and 32% sell activity. Ethereum, same moves. So it pulled back down to 4,200, hit highs of 4,400, and now we're at 4,300 or so. In the past week, we're down 6.5%. Past month, we're actually 4% higher. So Ethereum has been performing a little bit better compared to Bitcoin. It's only about $450 away from the all-time high area. In the past year, this one is up about 683% or so. 514 billion market cap here on Ethereum, which is 16% of the crypto market space. 66% buy activity, 34% sell activity, and obviously 74 day typical hold time here on Bitcoin and Ethereum, as more people are holding these compared to some of these other coins, guys. So, guys, what do you think is going to happen in the crypto market space? Are we going to be seeing more green here going into 2021? I certainly think so, and I would not be surprised to see, Ethereum back to close to $5,000 and Bitcoin continue to push on higher to 70,000 or so. So, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me for more content like this, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys see you in the next one. Goodbye.